Welcome for a walkthrough of this GCSE question. It's a vectors question. It is taken from June 24, paper 2H, and it's question 19. So you should have done the question before I walk through it to make sure you understand what's going on. Right, so I've got to express m to n. So what is m to n? So m to n is m to o. There's two ways of doing this journey, but I'm just going to do it by this way. OB plus b to n. M to o, that is half, because it's a midpoint, of negative. So basically, it's a over 2, negative a over 2. O to b, given in the question, b. And what is bn? Well, bn equals 4/9 of bc. So I'm now going to need to work out what bc is. bc equals bo plus oa plus ac, which is minus b plus a. And AC is given in the question as KB. That means B to N is 4/9 of that. So putting that back into what we'd written for MN, M to N must equal we tidy that up. That gives me minus 18a plus 4, which becomes that, which is your answer. Part B says, is it parallel? And the answer is no, not parallel, as that is not a multiple of B. Okay, so that's how you do the parallel. Is it a multiple, or does it factorize to make it multiple? Now have a go at this question. What was the first thing I did? The first thing I did was work out what Mn is, which is Mo plus OB plus B to N. So that's minus A over 2 plus B to N. So what's B to N? Sorry, it is, from the question, 1/3 of BC. So we're now going to have to work out what BC is. So that's an minus B plus A plus KB. Tidy it up a bit, so that's A plus k minus 1b. So b to n must be a third of that. So that's a over 3 plus a third k minus 1b. So if we put that, what do we do with that? We put that back in there. So we've got minus a over 2 plus b plus a over 3 plus a third k minus 1b. Tidy that up. That gives you minus a over 6 plus k plus 2 over 3 b. Was there a part B to the question? No. Right, brilliant, thank you, well done. Remember, hit subscribe. I need enough grade 9 people to subscribe for this to be worthwhile. And go onto my website to find the worksheets. Remember that not everyone is going to subscribe because not everyone is a grade 9 student. Thank you.